So you've probably heard of AI agents. They're literally everywhere right now. And everyone's talking about how they're using AI agents to automate tasks and make decisions. And it sounds pretty useful for some cases. And you're probably wondering how to start or build one yourself. I stumbled into a very interesting and cool GitHub repository by Microsoft, actually. It's called AI Agents for Beginners. It's an 11 lesson course that is designed to walk you through step by step instead of just throwing you into the deep with complex theory, and takes a very practical approach that actually makes sense. So, what's actually being covered? It starts with the basics of AI agents and then frameworks and design patterns. Think of this as the standard way of building agents so that you don't have to figure everything out from scratch. And it does tool integrations. This is where it gets a bit more interesting. So you learn how to give your agents the ability to do real things, browse the web, call APIs, and send emails, that sort of thing. Then it goes deeper into something called Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG in short. This helps you solve the problem where AI just makes things up. Instead, your AI agent learns to look up for information from reliable sources before responding. The next lesson is how to build trustworthy agents. So it helps you understand and build your agents so that they are fair and transparent and they don't accidentally cause problems. The next thing is about planning capabilities. So it teaches you how to make your agent break down complex tasks and work through them step by step. Then it does multi-agent systems, where it's setting up multiple agents to work together, each handling different tasks that is part of a larger task. Then it goes to metacognition. This is about agents being able to evaluate their own performance and learn from their own mistakes. And lastly, the last lesson is about production deployment, where you actually get your agent working in the real world and not just on your laptop. So this course includes written lessons, videos for the tricky concepts, and Python code you can run and modify. It works on Azure AI, Foundry models, and GitHub so that you learn what is actually applicable in the real world. They have also included multi-language support, so there's also other languages supported, not just English, which is really helpful. So if you've been curious about AI, I think this is a really good start to get into the AI agent space. I'm going to try it and see if I'm able to build a cool AI agent with it, but head on to GitHub and start it or fork it.